Imagine a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth, destined to wreak unimaginable havoc. Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? This is the premise of the Nibiru Cataclysm, a prophecy that emerged in 1995. It tells of a rogue planet, Nibiru, predicted to collide with Earth in the early 21st century. This prophecy, born from ancient Sumerian texts and popularized by self-proclaimed psychic Nancy Lieder, certainly piques the curiosity. But before you pack your bags and head for the hills, let's delve a little deeper into this prophecy. In the realm of science, extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. The Nibiru Cataclysm is indeed an extraordinary claim, yet it lacks the necessary extraordinary proof. For starters, there is no observational evidence for the existence of Nibiru, the supposed rogue planet. Despite extensive sky surveys, no such planet has been detected. Furthermore, the ancient texts purportedly predicting this cataclysm have been widely misinterpreted. It's also scientifically impossible for a planet of Nibiru's supposed size to remain hidden from detection. The scientific community, including NASA, has been vocal in debunking this prediction, further undermining its credibility. So it seems that the Nibiru Cataclysm, while a fascinating tale, does not hold up under scientific scrutiny. Despite the debunking, the Nibiru Cataclysm has left a lasting imprint on popular culture. It's fascinating how a prediction, even when scientifically disproven, can weave itself into the fabric of our collective consciousness. The Nibiru Cataclysm has become a muse, inspiring a myriad of books, movies, and a whole trove of internet conspiracy theories. Yet it's important to remember that such unverified predictions can also bring about harm. Instances of panic and fear, fueled by the specter of impending doom, have been reported. It's crucial to remember that scientific rigor and a discerning mind are our best defenses against such unfounded fears. So, next time you hear about a rogue planet on a collision course with Earth, remember to approach with a healthy dose of skepticism. After all, the truth is often stranger than fiction.